In this video, I'll show you how to place and resize an image in Adobe Illustrator. First, open Adobe Illustrator. Go to File and click Place. Select the image you want to import and click Place. Click once on the artboard to place the image. To resize the image, select it using the Selection tool. Drag any corner handle to scale the image. Hold Shift while resizing to keep the proportions. Hold Alt Windows or Option Mac to scale from the center. If you need exact sizing, go to the Properties panel and enter the width or height values. That's it. You've successfully placed and resized an image in Adobe Illustrator. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.